This may not look like much, but to me this is a great big deal. Walking in the woods, just simply walking in the woods, and I'm not just walking, I'm walking normal, I'm not hobbling, I'm not limping, and I'm moving as fast as I ever have. 2 months ago, I didn't even think 2 months ago, I could barely walk as I was facing hip replacement surgery. I had complete left hip replacement, and my road to recovery was pretty quick. I'm still working on it, but I'm moving pretty good right now, and it's just a pleasure and a privilege to be able to walk and walk in places like this and be able to put on a good pace.